Quick moment here.
Okay.
Love people.
Okay, thank you. Alright, cool.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel again. So I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of the iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I picked it up today at the store after ordering it a week earlier, and it just came in today. So I thought I should show you guys what we had in the box.
Very cool box, actually. I got a gold version, so I almost asked them to change the the edition I got. But yeah, we had the space gray, we had the blue, we had the, I think I saw the white too. That was actually nice too. But I'm stuck with the gold for the 12 Pro Max.
And I'll do a pretty quick setup of the phone because I'll be switching from, I'm going to surprise you guys. Sorry about the fingerprints, my hands are a little oily. So just look at this. It comes in a very, very small box. So you don't get this in the box, which is sad, but yeah, I had this from my previous device, my previous iPad from last year, so I'm going to be using it for this device this year.
If you haven't done so yet, please make sure to watch my first ever YouTube video, which showcased the unboxing of a 2020 iPad Pro, and that should be linked somewhere on this video.
So without any further ado, let's get to the unboxing part of it. Wow, that was smooth. Oh, look at this beauty. This was carefully thought of. Like, I must say, this is very, very nice. So my girlfriend had the previous version, the 11 Pro Max, and that I thought was very nice. Again, that's very, very sensational.
Okay, let's try if it actually stands up. Obviously it should. Wow, that's very nice. Yeah, there you go. It stands face down.
Let's fire this up. So I haven't actually gotten a case for this yet, but I'm going to be getting one very soon to see. You know, I won't want a situation where this actually falls. You do not get a USB-C charging port, which was sad, but you still get a Lightning charging port instead of a USB-C charging port. That's on the iPad Pro. In the box, we get the USB-C to the Lightning cable. I'm going to be using this from my previous iPad for the new 12 Pro Max. Okay, so we have this, and I'm going to be showing you what device I'm going to be switching from today. I'm sure you guys know it already, but it's going to be a monstrous device, a very old device. This is the iPhone 7, and it's funny, it's also the rose gold edition, rose gold, whatever. I've had this phone for about a year now. It's pretty messed up, as you can see. It's done its job, but it's become so sluggish. I'm going to be switching it to this today. So you can tell that's a 5-year switch. Okay, so I'll set this aside for now. Let's link this up to Wi-Fi. also have the Apple sticker, I think. Yeah, we have one sticker in the box, and which I'm not gonna use, but we also have some basic information from Apple, and we have I'm gonna be using this actually, a SIM removal kit. All right, to take out your SIM cards and put it back. And that's actually everything you get in the box. Very, very, very basic. But again, it's a very thought of design, and that I must really commend Apple for this. So while they're still setting up, I thought I should just show you guys what the differences look like between the iPhone 11 Pro Max and the 12 Pro Max. Look at the back. You see the 12 Pro Max has a kind of a bright gold color, while the 11 Pro Max has a darker gold color. I just noticed that, and we have a kind of a more shiny side part of the 12 Pro Max. Or wait, I'll say 11 Pro Max actually shines better. It kind of glitters better than the 12 Pro Max. These are the kind of, I don't know. Yeah, probably a rose gold, more of a rose gold than a gold. This is more of a gold than this. So the 12 Pro Max is 0.2 inches taller than the 11 Pro Max, just slightly taller. And you have, of course, you get more real estate with that on the 12 Pro Max. And take a look at the camera lenses at the back as well. So Apple says the 12 Pro Max has gotten a 47% larger lens than the 11 Pro Max. So obviously you get more coverage when you use the ultra wide lenses on the 12 Pro Max, and you'll be able to capture more features in your camera. We also have the LiDAR sensor at the back of the 12 Pro Max. Now, if you do a lot of LiDAR supporting games, you'll be able to appreciate that more, because it gives you a seamless flow while playing games that support LiDAR. Thank you so much for watching. If this video has been informative, please hit the like button, and please also hit the subscribe button to support the channel.